Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Today we are discussing about a game theory. In the previous video I started operation research. The operation research is having 5 chapters. Nimagalli 5 chapters ada operation research alli. The first one is the first video is done by replacement theory. Then now today I am discussing a game theory. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. Practical oriented 2 questions. That in the practical oriented questions it is a compulsory replacement theory is a compulsory question. Okay, leaving that replacement theory, out of 4 chapters, the transportation, linear programming problem, game theory and inventory theory, out of 4 the 3 questions may come in the examination. Okay, here the game theory, today the game theory they may ask a 1 mark or 2 mark or compulsory a 5 marks question. 1 mark 2 marks ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 marks ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ 1 mark and 2 marks questions in game theory. Okay, now I will start the 1 mark questions. What are the questions, expected questions, 1 mark questions, game theory. First question is what is game? Okay, define game or define game theory. They may ask what is a game. Whenever there is a situation of conflict and competition between 2 or more opposing teams, we refer to the situation as a game. Okay, then just how to write it, the competition between 2 or more opposing teams, that is we refer to the situation, that situation is called as a game theory or game. Then what is a n person game? N means that is a number of persons. If number of persons are participants, then it is called as a n person game. The answer is a game with a n participants is called n person game. Third one, what do you mean by zero sum game? What do you mean by zero? Zero ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. There is no payoff. If the payoff is 0, then that is called as a zero sum game. A game in which sum of the payoff of the players is 0 is called as a zero sum game. Okay, then what is meant by 2 person zero sum game? Then the previous question is zero sum game and the payoff al 0 iti. Then 2 person zero sum game means the 2 persons are playing. The one is a gain and one is a loss of the other player, that is called as a 2 person zero sum game. Then a game with the 2 players in which the gain of one player is the loss of the other player is called as 2 person zero sum game. Then what do you mean by a saddle point? Then saddle point ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲ saddle point ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲೇ. The position in the payoff matrix where maximin and minimax coincide is called as a saddle point. The position in the payoff matrix where maximin and minimax, both maximin and minimax coincide, that is called as a saddle point. Okay, next 5 marks we are calculating the sums, that you know it, what is a maximin and minimax. Then what do you mean by a value of the game? Value of the game. Then the payoff at the position of the saddle point is the value of the game. What the saddle point comes na, that maximin and minimax, that value, that point only, a saddle point is called as a value of the game. Then what is a fair game? A game is said to be fair if the value of the game is 0. Be alert, the many times they ask this question, idan baal sati kelar, what is a fair game? then you have to write it. A game is said to be fair if the value of the game is 0. Then small they are asking like that in a game theory. In a 2-person zero-sum game, the gain of one player is rupees 3. Then what is the loss of the other player? Ile gain rupees 3 ಐತಿ. Then what is the loss of the other player? Means that is if have to loss ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಗೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು -3. -3 he lost. Okay, that type of questions they ask in 1 mark question. Okay, you have to be alert. Ile nodri il +3 andre ile loss of the other player is -3. In a rectangular game, if the saddle point exists and maximin is -4, then what is the value of minimax? What is the value of minimax? You have ilodri alert iri. Illi nanu il gain of one player is rupees 3 and loss of the other player is -3. Hauda? Then in a rectangular game illond question enada, if saddle point exists and maximin is -4, maximin minimax same irtade yavaglu. Maximin -4 ಐತಂದ್ರೆ minimax -4 ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, then if in a game the payoff at a saddle point is 4, then what is the value of minimax? That is 4. Saddle point value of the game, maximin, minimax, that is same value, same adu. In a 2-person zero-sum game, the value v is equals to 10. V is equals to 2. Is the game fair? If game, what is fair game ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? 0 ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಫೇರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ? 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. Then v is equals to 2. Then what is the game fair? No, the game is not fair. Fair game is v is equals to 0. Okay. Define a strategy in a game. Define a strategy in a game. The strategy of the player is the predetermined rule by which B chooses his course of action while playing a game. The strategy of the player is the predetermined. That is a predetermined rule. That is called as a which he chooses his course of action while playing a game. That is called as a strategy of the game. Okay. These ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. Define the term pure strategy. The 2 types of strategies are there. One is a pure strategy and one is a mixed strategy. Okay. Then if a player decides to use only one particular course of action irrespective of the course of action chosen by his opponent during every play, the strategy is said to be a pure strategy. Okay, nodile irrespective of the other, he chooses his own course of action, that is called as a pure strategy. Then define the term mixed strategy. If a player decides to use all or some of his available courses of action in some fixed proportion, the strategy is said to be a mixed strategy. Okay, mixed strategy. Define the term mixed strategy ಅಂದಾಗ if player decides to use all, ಅಲ್ಲೇನು predetermined rules ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, that he want to what he is taking, he is playing all the available courses of action in some fixed proportion, that is called as a mixed strategy. Okay. Then what are the 2 marks questions they may ask? Write down the characteristics of a competitive game or write any 2 properties of competitive game. Okay. Characteristics or properties anta kelidagile 2, any 2 you have to write it. There are finite number of competitors called players or participants. Ille finite number irbeku andre enislik baruvanthadu. Finite number of competitors is called as a players or participants. Second one is each player has a finite number of courses of action. this list need not be the same for each player. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆರಡು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಗೇಮ್ ಒಳಗ, ಒಂದು ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ two properties. Okay, then explain maximin and minimax of a game. Okay, what is the maximin and minimax of a game? The maximum of the row minimums is known as maximin. The minimum of a column maximum is known as a minimax. Okay, ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು when you are reading, read it properly. The maximum of the row minimums is known as maximin. The minimum of the column maximum is known as a minimax. Okay, then what is the principle of dominance? Here the two types are there, the two methods are there. One is a maximin minimax principle and one is a dominance principle. Then what is a dominance principle? The strategy of a player dominates over another strategy, then the later strategy can be eliminated as the choice of such strategies will not benefit. That is called as a principle of a dominance. Principle of a dominance. Just illilledu ಒಂದು then does the following game have a saddle point? Does the following game have a saddle point? Then I will show you how to calculate this one, the maximin minimax principle and dominance method now. Okay, here I am writing here the A1 A2 is given, 2 mark question it is. B1 B2 is given, 8 5 3 2 is given. Okay, does the following game have a saddle point? Under a saddle point, or you have to calculate as a value of the game. Okay, what is the value of the game? Just we have to calculate. For calculating that one maximin minimax principle, ಈಗ maximin minimax principle, that is how it is, means the minimum payoff in each row of the payoff matrix is circled, that is marked with a circle. The minimum payoff in each row, this is a row, ಇದು ರೋ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್, ಹೌದಾ? Okay, then you have to the minimum payoff, which one is a minimum in the number? The minimum pay, you have to circle it, you have to mark it with a circle. Here the 2 is a minimum value. Which one is a minimum? Row minimum you have to take it, column you have to maximum. The column maximum means this is maximum value and this one is here as a maximum. Then saddle point value or value of the game is equals to a 5 is the answer. The strategy for a saddle point or strategy is 1,2. 1,2 means here 1 A1 and B2. A1 and B2. Here the sum of the examples, I will show you some more examples. I'll take it in the textbook only. Find the value of the game using maximin minimax principle. Then the second example, this is the first one. Here player A and this always the player B is given. Then A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2 and B3. 3, 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, 2, 3. Okay, this is the maximum minimax principle. Then you have to take it. The row, you have to keep it, remember, row minimum, column maximum. If I have to take a row minimum is this one minimum, this one is a minimum, and this one is a minimum value. We have to circle it. The maximum payoff in each column is boxed. The maximum payoff in each column is boxed. Here the 2, 3 maximum values, then I considered as a both as a square. Then value of the game V is equals to 2. Then strategy is, or saddle point is, that is A3 comma B2, A3 comma B2. This is maximum minimax principle, this one, row minimum and maximum column, you have to take it. The dominance principle, how to take a dominance principle, and the one more type is there, that is given in the question exercise, that is a payoff matrix of player B, you have to write it. Okay, this question. The following is the payoff matrix of player A. Write the payoff matrix of player B. This is also 2 mark question. Just they given 3, 2, 5, 4, 0 and -1. Payoff matrix of player B means you have to take a player B this side and player A this side. Player B this side, then B1 and B2 comes here. Then here A1, A2 and A3. Just in the answer only it is given, just you observe here. Player B, B1, B2 and A1, A2, A3. But the sign changes here. 3 here plus 3 and plus 2 is there, -3, -2, -5, -4, 0, but -1 is there, that becomes as a +1. That becomes a +1. This is a payoff matrix, you have to write it. You have to be alert. Payoff matrix. Nodri illaru neevu alert agiri. Payoff matrix ant kelbitre avaru, just you are turning player B here, player A, but the sign changes over here. Okay. Then calculate, this is the, if the value of the game comes as 0, the value of the game is 0, the answer is 0, then it becomes a fair game. It is called as a fair game. They ask in the question only, is the game fair? Then value is equals to 0, then it is a game fair game. Okay. Then dominance principle, how to calculate a dominance principle? Dominance. Then I will take one example over here. -7, 0, 3, -5. 7, -2, 0, -4, -2, -1, -2, 0, and 4, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, this is a player A here and player B, A1, A2, A3 and A4, B1, B2, B3 and B4. Okay. Then how to calculate this one? Here row minimum, okay, the same in the maximum minimax, but it is a dominance. There we chosen as a, we considered as a single value ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವು, but here The whole row we are considering. The whole row, which one is minimum? And the column, which one is maximum? That column we are considering over here. Okay, how to take? Here, the dominance, as all the payoffs, all the just you observe here, the minimum row, which one is a minimum row here? Just you observe here, the -2, -1, -2, 0. The negative and the 0 is there, then you have to delete this one. If have to delete this one, then but if have to write it here as a strategy, A4 dominates A3, then A3 and A3, then A3 is deleted. A4 dominates A3. So A3 is deleted. Then you have to write here the A1, A2 and A4 only you have to write it this one. A3 is deleted. -7, 0, 3 and -5. 7, -2, 0 and -4. 4, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. Then here A4 ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಡೊಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, that's why it is a deleted. You can take a column also and you can take a row also. Any ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ನೀವು ರೋ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ನೀವೀಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದಾವ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ 303, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ B1, B2, B3 and B4. ಒಂದು ರೋ ಆಗಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಐದರ್ ರೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಐದರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ B3 comparative to these two. Okay, maximum, because it is -7 is a minimum value. Here this is negative values are there. Column I considered. Here just I am writing B4 dominates B3, so B3 is deleted. Then you have to take it again, you have to write it A1, A2, A3, A4, and here B1, B2 and B4. -7, 0, -5 and 7, -2, -4, 4, 2 and 6. Okay, then which one you want to delete it? Just you observe, this is 0 and the two negative values is there. This is a minimum comparative to these two. The whole row is a minimum. Just I am deleting this one. A1 is deleted. A2 dominates. ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಇದ್ದು dominates A1. Then so A1 is deleted. Then you have to write it A2 and A4. You can delete it 2 also. 7 -2. ಒಂದು ಸತ್ತಿಗೆ ನೀವು 2 ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. 7, 4, B1, B2 and B4. Okay. Then what is remaining here? -2, -4, -2, -4 and 2, 6. 2, 6. Okay, then you can delete this one. Then what is remaining? 2 and 6 is remaining here. Which one is maximum? This is 2 columns is remaining. This is maximum. You can delete it. 2 is the value of the game. V is equals to a 2. Then what is the strategy for this? We have to take it A1 and A2. This is compulsory. A2, A4 here. And B2, B4. What is remaining here? This is B2, B4 and this is A4. Then B4 is deleted, you can write it, and 2. Then the strategy for a player A is A4 and strategy for player B is B2. You can write it. The value of the game is equals to V is equals to strategy for A is equals to A4 and strategy for B is equals to B2 is remaining. This is a dominance method. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಹೌದಾ, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ಲೋ? ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಿನ್ ಮಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್ ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ which one is minimum over here. This one is minimum. Here minimum is -4 and this one here in this -2 and -2 is minimum and 2 is a minimum over here. In this, which one is highest value? That column you have to box it. Then here also you have to box it. This column 6. Then what it comes? 2 is the value of the game. Howda? Correct? Then our answer is correct. By taking a pencil, just to verify your answer is correct or not. Finally, this is a 5 marks question. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಲರ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರೋ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನ ರೋ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. ನೀವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಕ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಐದರ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಿನ್ ಮಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ 5 marks. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಿನ್ ಮಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ 5 marks question, or otherwise they ask this dominance principle. Okay, I hope I will not lose for this in the game theory marks. Okay, ನೀವು ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 methods, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಿನ್ ಮಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, then in the Telegram channel I will send this 1 mark and 2 mark questions. Just to go through that one. ನಂದು ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅದ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೆಫರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ in the description box I will send that link, Telegram link. Okay, follow that link and crack out of 100 out of 100. Okay, students, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video. ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ.